Hi everyone. Today I'll be walking through our partner dashboard where our partners can access real-time data on their embedded insurance program. My name is Ed Ackerman and I'm the VP of Customer Success at Qover. Here at Qover, we believe that transparency is crucial to any insurance partnership. So if you're offering embedded insurance through us, you'll have access to an exclusive dashboard that looks something like this. We've carefully curated this dashboard to pull out the most important measures for our partners. And this allows you to get a quick read on the performance of your insurance program when it suits you. At the top, you can see the volume of insured or perhaps riders in the case of a delivery platform, for example. This, along with all the other measures in the dashboard, is populated with the latest data as soon as we receive it. An increase in the insured user base over time demonstrates the growth in the underlying business that you have, but also the rising impact of your insurance program as more and more people are covered. Now, you might be more interested in filtering this view by country, and so we have a country filter here, or potentially by product. So, for example, purchase protection or bill protection could be the specific product, or even what product sits beneath that. So here we have small, large, and medium. It could be that actually here we're talking about a specific card plan if you're a financial services customer, for instance. Our aim with these filters and the date filter as well, really to make this as flexible and personalized to meet the needs both of you as a partner, but also the team members who have access to that within your team. That way you can really hone in on what matters. Another important metric that we'll look at today is the loss ratio, which is the next graphic in the dashboard. Here, this tells us the value of your insurance program is going back to your users and also helps make sure that it still remains profitable to you and meets your business needs. Finally, on this tab, we have the gross written premium, and this is a way to track the overall cost of your insurance program over time. Think of this overview tab as your one-stop shop for key insights into how your insurance program is performing. And if you want to then dive a bit deeper, that's what the additional tabs are for. So we'll go into the claims tab here. First thing you can see here is the claims received chart, and this gives you a sense of how many claims you have received over time, and also whether there is any seasonality to those claims. We saw on the previous tab the total number of insured. Here we see really how many claims those insured are providing, and so we can also give a sense of the claims frequency and whether people are claiming in line with market expectations or perhaps claiming more than we might expect. And therefore, we need to dive into the detail and find out why. This is also potentially very insightful to the insurer. And with your blessing, we make this available to them as well so that everyone has a single source of truth that they can fall back on. If I scroll down, you'll see some other charts here, the total amount paid in value and how that changes over time, the claim severity or amount paid per insured person. Again, metrics that you and the insurer will be really keen to keep a close eye on. Also, you can see, if we go down further, really why claims are ending up as they are, and importantly, whether any of those are getting rejected and some of the reasons why they're getting rejected. And this could be great if, for example, you are looking to understand one of the main reasons for customer experience not being where it needs to be. You can identify, for example, that items that are ineligible or not covered, you might decide to put in place an initiative to better educate your users on the coverage offered, or even consider adding another insurance product to the package to make those products eligible. And this way you can really, with the data, drive an impact to your program and give yourself a boost in terms of customer experience. Next, we have the claim processing time, and this will give you a good flavor of how we're doing in terms of managing those claims on your behalf. We pride ourselves very much on ensuring your customers' claims are handled efficiently and professionally, and we'll work with you to ensure that claim handling times and payout time scales meet with your satisfaction. So the final view I want to show you today is the customer care tab. And so here you will see the very first graphic we have is the tickets received piece. This gives us a flavor of how many of your users are submitting tickets to our customer care team. For example, to ask about a claim status, maybe a policy question, maybe understand a bit more about the coverages involved in their package, and so on and so forth. Again, we'll see why they're calling, so you can get a good understanding of the reasons that they pick up the phone or get in touch with us on chat. You can again see how long it takes for us to resolve those customer care tickets, and again make sure we're meeting SLAs there. And Critically here, we also have the customer satisfaction score to see how we are performing and whether or not we are driving value to your user base. So that's it, folks. In essence, the dashboard is designed to give you a simple, transparent look at the key data behind your insurance program. This helps keep us and our partners accountable and empowers you to make data-driven decisions. Thank you very much.